that. Let's go. Okay, throw that bitch over.
All right, start over. Yeah.
Who wants to go with me in this?
I do.
Go. Synchronize, kids.
Synchronize.
Hey,
You know-
turn. What are you doing? Turn.
Is that tequila?
Tequila.
Tequila.
Beach. Nephflix. I know, jellyfish.
Don't make fun of my hair.
Bean raised. Hairy legs in this motherfucker. I don't wanna. You are now watching Nephflix. Jeez. That shit not. No, you cool.
You gotta have some type of motion.
You know what I'm saying? Me and the fellas.
Niggas ain't gonna fuck with you. You feel me?
Y'all love that
right back
shit.
Brewski.
Nigga Pat.
Airbnb just popped. It started a cleaning service.
Real Uno. I'm the king of Uno. Yeah, we about to get on this Uno.
Niggas take me 9 to 5.
I hope y'all enjoying y'all little Easter.
7 a.m. No money in the week. Like, come on. Then you gonna go out and fuck with niggas, go drink and spend some bills. You look at money inside, yeah. That's why more people like us. That's why the people you know, you link us with the people I know, the people I don't link us with the people you know. It's never what you know. It's never what you know, it's who you know, man.
I'm the Uno king for real. If you ain't got $1 million, can't make come like me. We out here on this putt life. You getting some of this, Pat?
Whoa. I'm just walking, man.
Ah.
I'll see what y'all niggas do this shit. You put it up there. Yeah, I'm about to sit up there.
Oh, ain't got no control over there.
We working out on there.
Okay, Pat.
That shit hard, bro.
That's what I said.
That shit hard.
No control.
That shit hard, bro. I haven't done this shit like since nigga middle school, homie. And be honest. Oh, you got it. Oh. There it goes. Like, hey, you got that?
Which one is yours, Pat?
I think this one mine right here. So that's you right there. We get closer. Let's see what we got. Oh. You already got you? Come on, Pat. Ah, let's go. Let's go, Tiger Wood here. We out here, hear me? We out here, hear me? You got that. Let's go, okay. Throw that bitch over. Nice.
Yeah.
I do. Majority of these bitches ain't loyal. They went through.
Hello, y'all. So we about to go kayaking. First time I'm doing it. Doing it with the wolves, my dog. We're gonna take y'all on this journey. She professional. She professional with it, for real. So she about to school us.
Yep.
You hear me? She gonna school us and do everything. So.
She good.
Yep. I got swim shoes on. I don't let the dogs out like that. No, they don't want to be out. We're about to hit the kayak. I don't know where we go. Oh. This is my first time doing this, so let's see how it is. Let's see how the kayak do.
Just push it.
God damn, this is a big ass beat. Oh shit, it's a big ass beat. What you doing? What you getting?
Getting Sprite. Sprite.
Chase a head ass.
You think that's just nasty drinking that straight. It's funny.
Trying to drink the kids. Yeah, chasing.
Nephflix, you better put your Nephflix
Dad, I am not playing with you. Hating assholes right behind us. Get them. Put them on Netflix.
How you doing, man?
Nice.
Bada boom, bada bam.
Hey, you got a lighter?
No.
Just, I have suspicion. Y'all got a lighter?
It's at the room. You got the card? We don't got no lighter. Go get the lighter, Josh. Why you get?
If y'all gonna stare, give him something to stare at.
Alright. Why you didn't get the lighter?
I got matches, honey.
Okay.
I'm a finesse.
Okay. Is that all liquor right there? Yeah. Strizzy. Strizzy. Oh.
Look how pretty it is.
What? AZ got a fake sand, goddamn, and fake beach. Okay.
Fake booties.
Why we ain't in here? Bro,
We
that's
need
what.
the boat, yo.
Yeah, she trying to leave us. She trying to go on this by herself. She do this
I
shit.
don't know. How about we get the paddle board? The paddle one.
Where the black
paddle
one go?
The red one. Right there.
My paddle. So you about to leave us?
No, that's okay for you. Y'all are big kids. Y'all are you go alone? You all go together? I am not much use is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like this.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna be we trying to smoke. We might as well take the boat so we can
You
just
can't
chill.
take those with
Oh.
these. The paddle one.
Let's take
the
this
paddle
one.
boat. Don't be taking it.
Is that tequila?
Tequila.
Tequila. Tell them what they can find you at. Where they can find you at. IG.
Stop. Can't find me nowhere.
She professional.
Oh wait, we're going. Which way you wanna go?
Let's go that way.
Wait, dude, I just did this
Bro,
360.
she out on us.
Look at this 360 we just did.
We ain't going nowhere. All that work. See that?
We did a U-turn.
So we got the smoky.
Beach. Nephflix.
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 Yeah. What I do? Say what up to the camera.
Hey. Girl, I got a babysitter, so come through. My nanny coming through.
She over there going crazy. You ain't even show us nothing. You just left us in a lake. You just left us in a lake.
If you're canoeing, I could help you out with that.
Well, what?
Well, he's not canoeing.
I'm a motherfucking catfish, goddamn catcher. Oh, get the blunt. You know you gotta come to us, cause you
Just don't
professional.
actions on me.
Give it to us.
I'm gonna tip over, so grab it. before I
We
tip
did it.
over. I hate how tippy this one is. Like, I could literally just like tip over.
What, that one?
Yeah.
Don't tell me that. I ain't getting that.
No, the big blue one's good. Like this, but like blue with 2 seats. And the green one, those are good to hop in.
No, I ain't getting that. You talking about tipping
or
over.
hopping? Ah!
There's alligators and probably in this motherfucker, all that. Goddamn fish, jellyfish,
I know, jellyfish. Don't make fun of my hair. They didn't have any razors here.
stingrays. Hairy legs in this motherfucker. I don't want to fall in this motherfucker. But yeah. We chilling, y'all, man. This on a good Thursday. Thirsty Thursday. Everybody come out to the water. Seem like we the only ones in the water.
In the water.
Only ones in the water. We're trying to paddle.
What? Hold on. I'll never steer you in the wrong direction.
Stirring this thing. Look,
Wait.
3 or 4 of us can see.
Who wants to go with me in this?
I do.
Ready? Go. Synchronize, kids.
Synchronize.
Hey.
No.
Turn. What are you doing? Turn. Other way. Oh my god. You guys, calm the fuck down right now. Okay, I say we go back. You guys are scaring the fuck out of me. I can't drop my phone.
We're professional, man. I just got my license for
No, keep going which way you were going.
KAYAKIN.
Yeah. Bro.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's go to the golf course.
Let's go home.
Hey, you are now watching Nephflix.